Who do you ask when you need help with a task?
I usually ask my team leader for guidance.
How do you explain your problem to a coworker?
I tell them clearly what I don't understand and ask for advice.
Where do you go when you need technical support?
I go to the IT department for help with computer issues.
Who helps you when you can't meet a deadline?
My colleague helps me finish the work on time.
How do you ask your manager for assistance?
I politely tell my manager what I need help with.
What do you do when you don't understand instructions?
I ask the person who gave them to explain again.
Who do you ask when you forget a procedure?
I ask a senior coworker who knows the process well.
Where can you find help with company policies?
I check with the HR department for correct information.
How do you ask someone to explain a report?
I ask them to go over the report with me step by step.
What do you say when you need extra time to finish work?
I explain the situation and request a short extension.
Who supports you when work becomes stressful?
My teammates support me and share some of the workload.
Where do you get help when your computer freezes?
I contact the IT support team to fix the issue.
How do you ask for help without sounding weak?
I stay polite and focus on finding a solution together.
What do you do when you get stuck in a project?
I ask for feedback from someone more experienced.
Who do you reach out to for creative ideas?
I reach out to coworkers who are good at brainstorming.
Where do you discuss work problems with your boss?
I set a short meeting in the office to talk privately.
How do you thank someone who helps you?
I thank them sincerely and offer help in return.
What do you do if a coworker ignores your request for help?
I try to ask someone else or talk to my supervisor.
Who helps you when you're new to a job?
My mentor or senior colleague guides me through tasks.
Where do you learn new work skills from?
I learn them from online training or team workshops.
How do you ask for help during a meeting?
I raise my hand and politely ask for clarification.
What do you say when you can't finish a task alone?
I explain the problem and ask for teamwork.
Who can you talk to about improving your performance?
I can talk to my manager for advice and feedback.
Where do you find answers about company procedures?
I check the employee handbook or ask HR.
How do you approach a busy coworker for help?
I ask politely if they have a moment to assist me.
What do you do when you make a mistake at work?
I admit it quickly and ask for guidance to fix it.
Who helps you learn new software at work?
The IT trainer or a tech-savvy colleague helps me.
Where do you go when your manager is not available?
I ask another senior member for quick assistance.
How do you ask for help on a group project?
I tell the team what part I need help with.
What do you do when you can't handle multiple tasks?
I ask my supervisor to help prioritize the work.
Who explains complicated data to you?
The data analyst or team expert explains it clearly.
Where can you get help to improve communication skills?
I can join a training session or ask HR for support.
How do you ask someone to review your work?
I politely request them to check my work for mistakes.
What do you do when your workload is too heavy?
I inform my boss and ask for task adjustments.
Who do you contact when a client complaint confuses you?
I contact my manager for advice on how to respond.
Where do you share problems about office tools?
I report them to the maintenance or IT team.
How do you request help in an urgent situation?
I clearly state the problem and ask for immediate support.
What do you do when you forget a work step?
I ask someone who remembers to explain it again.
Who do you ask for help with scheduling meetings?
I ask the office assistant or use the scheduling app.
Where can you learn about safety rules at work?
I can learn from the safety officer or company guidebook.
How do you ask a senior for guidance respectfully?
I show respect and ask them to share their experience.
What do you do if your report is incomplete?
I ask for missing information from my team members.
Who supports you when your team faces a problem?
My supervisor supports us and helps find a solution.
Where do you find help when the printer stops working?
I call the IT team or the office technician.
How do you ask for help without interrupting others?
I wait for a good time and ask politely.
What do you do when you can't find a document?
I ask a coworker or check the shared files.
Who gives you support during tough deadlines?
My teammates usually share the work and support me.
Where do you go to get clarification on rules?
I go directly to HR or my supervisor.
How do you ask for help with a client issue?
I explain the problem clearly and ask for suggestions.
What do you say when you need a partner for a task?
I ask someone if they can join me for better results.
Who teaches you how to use new office tools?
The trainer or an experienced colleague teaches me.
Where do you get help with time management?
I ask my manager or attend a productivity session.
How do you ask for feedback on your work?
I ask politely if they can review my work for improvement.
What do you do if you can't log into your account?
I contact the IT department for password recovery.
Who helps you when you're unsure about priorities?
My boss helps me decide which task comes first.
Where do you go for problem-solving discussions?
I go to the meeting room for a quick team discussion.
How do you handle a task that's too difficult?
I ask for step-by-step guidance from a senior worker.
What do you say when you need assistance finishing work?
I ask if someone can help me complete it before the deadline.
Who do you rely on for technical questions?
I rely on the IT expert or team technician.
Where do you report an error in the system?
I report it to IT support immediately.
How do you request help with understanding reports?
I ask the person who prepared them to explain the details.
What do you do when you feel overloaded at work?
I discuss it with my supervisor and ask for support.
Who can help you when you're confused about tasks?
A senior coworker can explain what needs to be done.
Where can you find help writing emails to clients?
I ask someone experienced in communication.
How do you ask for help politely in an email?
I explain the issue briefly and request their guidance kindly.
What do you say when you need clarification on instructions?
I ask them to repeat or show an example to understand better.
Who gives you direction when you lose focus?
My manager reminds me of the goals and priorities.
Where do you seek help for teamwork issues?
I talk to the team leader or project manager.
How do you ask for help during a tight schedule?
I tell them it's urgent and ask for quick advice.
What do you do if you miss an important step?
I ask for help to correct it immediately.
Who helps you with planning tasks efficiently?
My supervisor helps me organize my work plan.
Where can you learn from others' experiences?
I can learn by discussing with senior colleagues.
How do you request guidance from your mentor?
I schedule time and ask for advice on specific issues.
What do you do when you can't fix a mistake alone?
I ask for assistance and explain what went wrong.
Who explains the company rules to you?
The HR officer explains them clearly during meetings.
Where do you ask for help with office equipment?
I go to the maintenance staff or IT help desk.
How do you ask a coworker to teach you something new?
I politely ask if they can show me how it's done.
What do you say when you need extra resources?
I request additional tools or materials from my manager.
Who can you ask for help when the manager is away?
I ask the assistant manager or team leader.
Where can you find help when you face a customer issue?
I check with the customer service supervisor.
How do you ask for help without feeling nervous?
I stay calm and focus on solving the problem.
What do you do if a task feels confusing?
I ask someone to walk me through the steps.
Who helps you learn company software?
The IT trainer or onboarding team helps me understand it.
Where do you report work-related problems?
I report them to my supervisor or HR.
How do you ask for help with meeting preparation?
I ask a coworker to assist with setup or materials.
What do you do when you can't meet expectations?
I ask for feedback to understand how to improve.
Who helps you when you feel behind on work?
My teammates help me catch up with pending tasks.
Where do you get assistance with document formatting?
I ask someone good at typing or use office templates.
How do you ask for help with presentations?
I ask someone to review my slides and give suggestions.
What do you do when your idea gets rejected?
I ask for feedback to understand how to improve it.